Hey, welcome back to How to Draw Cartoons. So today we are drawing a living room. So let's get straight into the video. So first we start by drawing a straight line just like this. And draw lines like these two. So, and then draw straight line upwards. Then draw it like this. Then do the same on the other side. Next we are drawing a horizontal line. And a vertical line. Then a small curve and then a straight line. And then completing with a curve, and do the same under the head. And a bigger one like this, and do the same on the other side too, kind of like this. Now we're drawing a pillow-like thing, kind of like that. This didn't come up as I expected. Anyway, a pillow-like thing. Now this is the leg for the chair. Next up, we are drawing a table. Oh, so table like this, and then another curve and a straight line and a curve to meet the ends. Then we are drawing the leg for the table. Next we are drawing a cup-like shape, but it's a pot, and we're gonna draw a plant. So for that we're drawing some leaves, just like this. Next we are drawing the lamp, so for that we start by like this. And then like this. And at the end we finish the lamp with just like this. And like this. Next we're drawing a stand-like thing in which we are drawing two pictures framed. So here are the framed pictures or drawings. I'm making this a little larger. And then trace this inside. And then some grass like thing to make it look. Then I'm hyperlaxing the darkening with a marker after drawing it with a pencil. So just overdraw your drawing at first way you draw with a pencil. So beware, if you need any changes you can do it, because this is your drawing. This is my opinion where I color it. You can change the color or you can change anything because it's your drawing. Actually, that's pretty much it. There is the living room. Hi friends, enjoyed this lesson. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, please hit the like button too. And give your suggestions in the comment section. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. So till then, bye. And thanks for watching. I hope you will see this soon. So this is all of my videos. If you like that, watch that too. Thanks for watching and see you soon.